Horseracingkid signing on to handicap racing from Colonial Downs here on Sunday, June the 12th, 2011. I'm going to handicap a couple of races for you. I'm going to handicap races 1, 3, 5, and the featured 9th race. The first 3 races I'm going to handicap are the hard hurdle races, the steeplechase races that are hard for some people to handicap. I'm going to give you my tips on these first 3 races, races 1, 3, and 5, and then to the 9th race, which is their featured flat race. So let's get on to it. Today's first race is a 2 miles and a quarter hurdles race, maiden for $15,000, purse $10,000, to be run over national fences or for maidens 4-year-olds. Going 2 miles and a quarter, we do have a field of 12, and I'm gonna go with the 12 horse. Call Me Sonny, at Jacob Roberts' jockey, 5-1 last time out. They run at Fair Hills on May the 28th, 2 miles and a quarter hurdle race for maiden 10,000. Came third by 6 3/4 lengths. That was his first time over the jumps. He rallied that day. He was at 13-1 that day. That was you got to bet in that Fair Hills race. Then a Pimlico on May the 14th, mile and 8th, and a claim race 65,000. Came 6th. He had no factor. Claim race mile and 8th at Pimlico, mile 16th, 65,000. Claiming angled out and rallied between. He just never got up there. I think this horse will do good over the jumps again today. It's 5-1, so going with this one. So recap my bets for race number 1 from Colonial Downs. Going with the 12. Let's get on to today's third race. What's the main special weight? Purse $15,000. 2 miles and a quarter hurdles to be run over national fences for maidens 4-year-olds and upward. Going 2 miles and a quarter. We do have a field of 12, and I'm gonna go with the 2-6 here. Number 2, Well Fashioned, at odds of 7-2. Bernard Dalton's jockey, 7-2 last time out. They're on at Colonial Downs, 2 miles and a quarter hurdles on May the 21st. The main special weight 17,000. Came second by 1 3/4 lengths. He was rallying out, finished. Then that 2 miles hurdles raced on April 30th. The main special weight 15,000. Came second by half lengths. He dueled and just missed. And then at Camden, 2 miles and 8th on April 2nd, main special weight. Came third by 2 3/4 lengths. He rallied and Vide emptied. There's only 3 starts on jump. He came into money all 3 starts. So going with this one, I'm going with the 6 Class Launch. 15-1 Richard Bosher's jockey. Probably one of my favorite steeplechase jockeys of all. At odds of 15-1 last time out. The run at 2 miles and a quarter hurdle race on May the 14th, main special weight. Came 5th by 37 1/4 lengths. He was inside, no threat. Then a 2 miles and 3/8 hurdles race on April 23rd at main special weight came third, 16 3/4 lengths. He was pacing weekend, and then at Camden, 2 miles and 1/8 in the main special weight, came 6th. He stopped that day. So going with this one, to recap my bets, race number 3 for Colonial Downs, going 2-6. Let's get on to today's final steeplechase race here on Sunday, which is 2 miles and a quarter hurdle event. All race 2 miles and a quarter. Claim race, purse $20,000 to be run over national fences for 3-year-olds and upward. For 4-year-olds and upward. We do have a field of 10. And I'm going to go with the 1-2 here. Number 1, Q's, 3-1. Gustav Dahl is the jockey. Last time out, run at Lexington on May the 22nd, 2 miles and 1/8 in a hurdles race, allowance race 20,000. Won by 16.5 lengths. He was cleared out and ridden out. Then at 2 miles and a half, but May the 7th in allowance race 20,000. Won by 5 lengths. He finished strong. 2 miles hurdle on April 16th, claim race 15,000. Came 4th by 63 lengths. He was tough early. Allowance race 3 miles and 1/8 last November 6th. Came 3rd by 20 lengths. He railed and tired. So yeah, I do like this horse here a lot. And I'm going to 2 Dubai Sunny, a Japanese horse at odds of 5-2. At 10 years old, at a Sunday Silence. Darren Nagel's jockey. Last time out during November 6th, 2 miles and 3 miles and 1/8 allowance race at 3 miles and 1/8. Won by 11 3/4 lengths. He's much the best that day. Then at 2 miles and a half in allowance race. Came in 3rd by 6 lengths. He was led on the inside and then set the pace. And then at Colonial Downs, 2 miles and a quarter on April 7th and September the 18th. Claim race 10,000. Won by 4.5 lengths at 6-1. He was on the pace and driving. So going with this one, so recap my bets for race number 5. Colonial Downs, going to 1-2. Let's get on to race number. Flip the pages to race number 9. The 9th race is allowance optional claimer purse $25,000 for 3-year-olds and upward, which never won twice. Going 5 1/2 furlongs. one of my favorite turf courses of all time at Colonial. Field of 7, I'm going with the 1 horse, Hold On Sunday. 5-2 last time out. On Tampa Bay Downs, 5 furlongs on May the 1st. Lion Stop Show Claimer came third by 2 lengths. Evide to mid in the stretch. Then Tampa Bay, 5 furlongs off turf on April 2nd. Handicap came third. And then at Tampa, 5 furlongs Lion Stop Show Claimer came second. I like this horse here at the distance 11-3, so going with this one. So recap my bets for race number 9 from Colonial Downs, going with the 1. So it's the Horseracingkid sign off. Remember, good luck to us.